Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. Was greasing my upper control arm ball joint here and could not get any grease in it. So I got a hot tip for you. This is just a quick video. You can try it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So what I ended up doing is I greased the bottom Zerk, no problem, on the lower control arm. Then I came up here and I decided, obviously give it a good, give it some grease. Nothing went in. So sometimes there's a little check ball up here, and that might have rust on it. It won't allow grease to enter the Zerk. But in this case, that's not the problem. I took the Zerk out and I put the Zerk in the grease gun and to make sure that grease is coming out. So then I stuck the Zerk back in. And this is a hot tip I got for you. If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's going to help me grow. So I'm going to show you no grease is going in right now. So you're like, what the heck? I got to get some grease in here. I'm pushing as hard as I can. You can obviously see there's no grease coming in. Okay, no grease. So what you can try, it might not work all the time. I've tried everything, let me tell you. I've tried heating it, I've tried, wishing it would go in, but, a lot of guys will go, okay, well, I can't get grease in there. It's going to take a crap, so let's just replace it. Well, yeah, you're probably going to end up doing that if you can't get grease in it. But what I want you to try is I want you to take and jack up on the lower control arm and try to get this up a little bit, and then that'll move a little bit on the upper ball joint. It'll just kind of position it a little bit different. So that's what we're going to do right now. So you just pretend you're jacking up the vehicle on the lower control arm. Okay, so that kind of lifts everything up and it moves the spindle in and out in the control arm. So now try it. Now try to get grease in there. Look at that. Hello. Okay. Couple pumps. That's it. Don't get too crazy, but you got to get grease in there. So I got 3 pumps. That's enough. So I got grease in it. Try it. It might work for you, and it might not. If it doesn't, well, then you just run it until you need to replace your upper ball joint. But I'm hoping it does. So, hope you guys like the content. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Share the video if you got somebody that's doing a grease job on their vehicle and something ain't working. So, yeah. And then leave some comments if you'd like. I'll gladly help you out if I can. So, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.